Hi, my name is Carolyn Duncan of Duncan Legal. Today I'm here to talk about the difference between a will and a trust. I know that these legal terms can be confusing, and you're probably wondering which is right for my family, a trust or a will. Well, today I'm going to explain that difference as to why most people prefer a trust over a will. The big difference between having a will and having a trust is the probate process. That's actually when your personal representative files an application with the court to be appointed to the position. Their job is to gather the assets, pay off the debt, and distribute what's left over. Probate can be very expensive. It's also very public. People actually look at the public records trying to gain information. Is this something that you want your family to go through at a time of grief, or would you rather it be a private process, which a trust provides? Most people think having a will ends the process, and they don't realize that probate is involved. But without the authority to act, your personal representative can't do anything. It's at this point that they get appointed to be the personal representative, they gather the assets, pay off the debts, and they distribute what's left over. But that only happens if you have a very clear plan. And if you don't, then that's when the court gets involved and a judge is going to make a decision. Your beneficiaries may not like that decision, and then you're causing conflict and stress and things among your family, and a trust avoids all that. A will, you have no choice. You will be going to probate. On the other hand, if you have a trust, your trustee is going to gather those assets, pay off the debt, and distribute what's left over. But they're going to do that without having to go to probate. That's going to avoid expense and hassle, and it's very private in nature. What the trustee is going to do is at the end of the day, when they believe they've done their job, they're going to distribute those assets to your named beneficiaries. I know I've laid a lot on you, and it's probably even more confusing. However, we can go over the pros and cons between a will and a trust. Give Duncan Legal a call, 303-394-2358, and let's discuss the option and what's right for your family.